Alright, this is a super cool, quick, and really easy activity I like to call outrageous oobleck. To get started, what we have here is a cup of water. The only reason that it's colored, I used a little bath coloring tablet. I kind of threw it in there to get it going, just to give our oobleck some color and make it look really cool. This can was about $1, I believe. I'm going to use the whole thing just to give us a nice amount of oobleck to play with. I'm just going to kind of spread it out here in my tray. I chose this nice kind of flat tray just to give a nice play area for whoever's going to be enjoying this. Alright, you see I dumped the whole tray in there. This is, so pretty much your ratio is going to be 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water. I may need a little more water. Basically, I'm just going to pour this in. And then we're going to mush it around and hopefully get the consistency we're looking for. Alright, I started mixing this up. Went and grabbed a little extra water. Gonna get it going in here. And you'll know kind of just intuitively when you kind of start getting the consistency that's going to work for you. Once we get this all mixed in, it'll be really cool and fun to play with. Alright, as you can see, this stuff is really messy, but it is really cool. I don't know if you can see there, like, how it kind of acts and pick it up and it'll kind of droop down. Then it's almost like solid. So this is what's called a non-Newtonian fluid. It has kind of liquid characteristics and it can also act as a solid. So there we go. That's our easy oobleck, our outrageous easy oobleck.